So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video, we have here just this one question to answer on the topic concept of living. So guys, this video will be about the muscles, so in short stay till the end of this video. So let's go ahead and start with this question here. We only have just this one question to answer, so you can feel free to pause this video and try out to see if you can get the question, or kindly wait along while we answer the question together. So here's the question. Muscles act in opposite directions in order to A. Prevent dislocation at joints, B. Prevent muscle fatigue, C. Regulate body activities, D. Cause a bone to move. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, and that's to cause a bone to move. So that's it for that question, and this is where we'll end this video for today. So guys, if you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below, and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.